Hello, this video is for Learning Intention 28 and we're looking at tree diagrams. So from looking at your assessment, I found you're pretty good at tree diagrams, so I'm going to try to give you a fairly tricky question and you can see how you go. If you like, after I give you the question, you can pause, have a go yourself, and then see if you got it right. So here's Jono, the police officer. Let's say on Monday, the probability Jono fills up his tank is 1 on 11. On Tuesday, it is 1 out of 7. On 1 out of 7, and on Wednesday, it is 1 out of 9. Over these 3 days, find PR fills up tank exactly once. Alright, so you know the probability that he fills up his tank on Monday is 1 on 11. You know on Tuesday it's 1 out of 7. On Wednesday it's 1 out of 9. Over the 3 days, find the probability he fills up his tank just once. And this is a good example of where it's nice to use a tree diagram. Let's use a tree diagram. So let's start with Monday. So he either fills up the tank or doesn't fill up the tank. And for Monday, those probabilities are 1 on 11, and we have to do the complement of 1 on 11, which is 10 on 11. So that's for Monday, for Jono there. Alright, for Tuesday, the probability that he fills up his tank is 1 out of 7. So it's 1 out of 7 there. So the complement of that is 6 out of 7. And we do the same down here. 1 out of 7, 6 out of 7. So that's for Tuesday. What about Wednesday? It's 1 out of 9. So let's do Wednesday. So 1 out of 9, and the complement of that is 8 out of 9. And let's just fill that in. Whoops. Should really do this a bit bigger. That's alright. Okay, so 1 out of 9, 8 out of 9, 1 out of 9, 8 out of 9. It's getting a bit squished here. We'll assume we know what those are. Alright, well, we can list all the possibilities. So here we have FFF, so he fills up his tank on all 3 days. Here we have FF not F, FF not F, and you go through each branch and you fill out all the possibilities, which is what I'm doing now. So I'm following each and every branch and I'm looking at all possible outcomes. And there's the probability that he doesn't fill up his tank on any of the days. So there we are. So I've followed through all the branches. Take your time doing that. And I've got all these possible outcomes. So let's interpret these. So this one up here is he fills up his tank every day. This one here is he fills up on Monday and Tuesday, doesn't fill up on Wednesday. This one here is fills up on Monday, doesn't fill up Tuesday, doesn't fill up Wednesday. And the question wants to know what the probability is that he fills up his tank exactly once. So we're looking for any answer that says he fills up his tank exactly once. So here we are, there's one. That's when he fills it up on Wednesday. Ooh, that's when he fills it up on Tuesday. And that's when he fills it up on Monday. So these are the only ones we're concerned with. When he fills it up on Monday, when he fills it up on Tuesday, when he fills it up on Wednesday. These are mutually exclusive events. So we can add these because he can't fill up and not fill up on the same day. So they mutually exclude each other. So we can add these. Let's do this calculation. PR fills up once exactly. So let's see here. We want to calculate this. So let's follow through our tree diagram. Let's find it. So it's that he fills up on Monday, doesn't fill up on Tuesday, doesn't fill up on Wednesday. So that one is 1 on 11 times 6 on 7 times 8 on 9. Then we have plus, let's look at this next one. I'll tick that off in red to say we've done that one. Let's do the next one. So he doesn't fill up on Monday, fills up on Tuesday, doesn't fill up on Wednesday. So let's have a look. That's 10 on 11 times 1 on 7 times 8 on 9. So we've done that one. Finally, we have F'. So he doesn't fill up Monday, doesn't fill up Tuesday, but he fills up Wednesday. So let's tick that one off. And the probability of that is 10 on 11 times 6 on 7 times 1/9. Alright, I'm going to be brave. I'm going to do this without a cas. So 1 times 6 times 8 is 48 plus 80 plus 60 divided by 11 times 7 times 9. 9 sevens are 63. 63 times 11 is... Alright, I'm going to show you how I work this out. So you got 63 times 11, which is the same as 63 times 10 plus 63. Can you see what I've done there? Because you only have to count up another 63. So that's 630 plus 63 is 693. Alright, so we know that the denominator is 693. Let's do the addition there. So that's 140, so that's 188 on 693. Do we have any common factors? I'm not sure. Let's see, what about 3? No, 3 doesn't work. Alright, let's check it on Mr. Cas. Let's see if that's right. Always good to check our answers with our Cas. I want to show the problem. I can't seem to fit it. Okay, we'll do it. Put it up here. Let's see how we've gone. Calculate. 48 plus 80 plus 60 divided by 6. Whoops. 693. There we are. Good. Okay. Correct answer. So that's probability. Jono, the police officer, fills up his tank exactly once over those 3 days. That was a tricky example. I hope you found that useful. And if you have been, thank you for watching.